You've spent the past 30 odd years paying tax on your income, and now you finally have access to your super. And you want to start a pension, but you're a bit unsure as to whether the taxman is going to keep dipping his hand in your pocket. I'm going to show you what you can do to make sure you receive tax-free income. G'day, I'm Strano, the founder of SUPERGUY, the place where Australians go to maximise their super and build their own retirement plan. Remember, your support for these videos means everything, so hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. That's all I ask. Alright, let's find out how you can receive tax-free pension income.
So this video will explain how your pension income is taxed. So we're talking about income from either an account-based pension or a transition to retirement pension, which are the two main types of superannuation income streams. Both of these types of pensions, account-based pensions and transition to retirement, or TTR pensions as they're known, both of these pensions, or I guess the income received from both of these types of pensions, are taxed in exactly the same way. So the tax you pay on pension payments firstly depends on whether you are over age 60 or under age 60. And let's begin with over age 60. If you're over age 60, pension payments are received tax-free. Simple as that. Over age 60, tax-free pension payments. But what if you're under age 60? Okay, pension income for people under age 60 depends on the tax components that make up your balance. And what I mean by that is your pension balance will consist of either taxable components, tax-free components, or usually a combination of the two. Now, all pension payments must be made proportionately from each component. So if your pension balance is, say, $500,000 and $250,000 of that is tax-free component and $250,000 is taxable component, and you nominate to receive pension payments of $30,000 each year, then $15,000 of the payment will come from the taxable component and $15,000 will come from the tax-free component. So based on this example, how will the pension payment be assessed for tax? Well, basically the $15,000 tax-free component will be received completely tax-free. There is no income tax that needs to be paid on that portion. Whereas the other half of the pension payment, the $15,000 taxable component portion, will be taxed at your individual tax rate, just like any other taxable income would be, like a salary or a wage or bank interest or whatever. This $15,000 taxable component is added together with all of your other forms of income and taxed at your individual tax rate. However, a 15% tax offset comes along with the pension payment. So even though the $15,000 is taxable, once your income tax amount has been figured out, you get a tax offset of $2,250, which is 15% of the taxable portion of your pension payment. This $2,250 will reduce the amount of tax that you actually need to pay. Now, you don't need to remember all of this because the provider of your superannuation pension, your super fund, will provide you with a payment summary at the end of each financial year detailing all of this information, which you can just simply pass on to your accountant. It's pretty much like the payment summary that you receive from an employer at the end of each year. Your super fund gives you a pension payment summary, which includes the taxable portion, the tax-free portion, and the tax offset amount. Obviously, when it comes to tax matters, you should discuss your specific situation with a tax professional. Also, all of this information assumes that your pension comes from a taxed source, which is the case for probably 99% of people. If your pension includes a taxable untaxed component, tax may be payable and you should consult your tax professional. You can contact your super or your pension provider and ask them whether your balance includes a taxable untaxed component.
Want to stay up to date with the latest superannuation and retirement strategies? Sign up for my newsletter at superguy.com.au and get exclusive access to my best content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.